This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christy Baumgartner. This beautiful move-in ready home offers the perfect blend of charm and modern amenities, situated on a spacious, private lot just over a quarter acre with no HOA. The split floor plan features oversized bedrooms, each with walk-in closets, a open floor plan and a screened-in patio that leads to a fenced backyard. This home boasts multiple upgrades such new double pane windows, 2019, new plumbing, 2020, upgraded electrical, 2014, new roof and AC, 2013. Located just a block from Lake Dora and nestled between the vibrant downtown Mount Dora and downtown Tavares, this home offers easy access to shopping, dining, entertainment, and outdoor activities. This is a rare opportunity to own a meticulously updated home in a prime location. For more information, review the details below or contact Christy Baumgartner at 407-716-3321.